There was one thing that you were telling me about, and I was like, oh, I want to know more about this.
Oh.
This.
Right. It's SIRT1 and AMP kinase. We're talking about longevity proteins that stabilize the telomeres from aging and shortening, and stabilize and maintain the stem cells from aging and disappearing. So to live a long time, you want to have you can reflect your biological age by the health of your cells as reflected by the length of your telomeres. And there are proteins that keep the telomeres and called SIRT1 and AMP kinase and stabilize stem cells. And what activates those proteins? Exercise, moderate caloric restriction, high phytochemical diet. What turns on the proteins that accelerate aging, like mTOR, and turn on cancer-promoting genes are extra calories, high glycemic diets, overeating, and extra protein. So we can turn on, so we have so much evidence today to turn on cancer-promoting genes or turn off cancer-promoting genes or turn on longevity proteins that make you live longer, proteins that make you live shorter. So we have all the information here that exercise, keeping in your accurate caloric window to keep your body fat low and to keep yourself lean. And if you're going to err on the side of eating, eat a little less, not a little more than you're supposed to. Right.
Right. And you're still going to be fine. You're not going to starve. It still will feel good. But when you say telomeres, I just want to make sure people know what that is. You're talking about the ends of chromosomes, right?
Mm-hmm.
So when we age, they start to unravel and get not as pretty, essentially, right?
Yeah, the ends of the chromosomes, as cells replicate, the more as you age and the cells are used,
they build wear, essentially.
They wear out, and they're wearing out of the cell. You can see by the telomeres shortening. So they're losing their ability to replicate and continue to grow to be healthy.
Right.
So that happens as we age. So, people say you can't age backwards, and that and I'm saying that's not true. You can age backwards because we can do telomere length testing and epigenetic testing and methylation defect testing to see what your biological age is. And when people follow a Nutritarian diet for a period of months or years, we retest them, and their actually telomeres are longer, and the biological age is now improved. Mm-hmm. So we see, and we just did a study on this with 50 women on a Nutritarian diet for more than 5 years each, and 50 women on a standard American diet, and we compared the telomere length and the stem cells, and we found huge differences. So we're talking here about that we can slow aging, and if we change our diet to what we're saying here, such healthy living, we can actually get younger biologically.
With a longer lengthening our telomeres?
With lengthening of our telomeres.
So you can, if you eat a high nutrient diet, can repair damage.
You can right. There's an enzyme called telomerase that actually is able to repair and build back damaged telomeres.
So the last thing that we kind of touched on, but we need to talk about for anti-aging is alcohol, because that obviously is something that damages and ages our body as well. And so when you're talking about eating a high nutrient diet, a Nutritarian diet, a healthy diet that does exclude alcohol.
Alcohol is a carcinogen. Excess salt is also immune system suppressing and ages you rapidly.
Right.
And just like extra calories do. But having a fireplace in your house where you constantly have a little bit of smoke coming in, just a little bit of smoke coming in, also ages people more prematurely too.
Right.
So it's any kind of thing, anything you take that's toxic, and you're chronically exposed to this toxin over and over again. And people drink alcohol like every week, right? Don't they go out and have weekends, they drink 2 or 3 times a week, they drink alcohol. Mm-hmm. And it's the chronic exposure to that toxicity that has a major effect on shortening the lifespan.
Right.
But not as much as the diet, not as much as fast food. Put it in perspective, hot dogs, burgers, pizza, and French fries, and obesity is much more damaging than having a couple of drinks a week, but they're all lifespan shortening.
Right. But so the biggest takeaway really to extend your lifespan and not age or age backwards and create a long, healthy life for yourself is to eat a high nutrient diet, which, like I said, is great news to me because I really enjoy healthy foods and I think they're delicious.
Right. It's a great hobby to have.
Mm-hmm.
And we want people to identify with being a Nutritarian gives you the happiest, the longest, but the happiest, most pleasurable life. And you're not losing pleasure in life when you're not going to recreate with food, not going to eat self-destructive foods and damage your health with unhealthy food, thinking it's going to make your life happier. It doesn't work that way.